God damn it. I figured it out now. You asshole.
No.
Perfect.
Okay, if you press, I'm screwed.
They're all just like slowly coming towards you.
Level low. Uh oh. Oh no!
Fucking asshole.
You know what? You get attacked by a tree or the earth or both. But you come back to me.
Oh, you.
Yeah, gotcha, bitch. That was a good one. Oh God! What the fuck?
Bomb and then get the hell off the ladder.
Okay. Go, go! Oh God damn it!
Fucking pitfalls. Yeah, it is. Watch out! Fuck no! You son of a fuck you!
The griefing though.
Get the hemp spray away from me.
That's a terrible feature.
I should not have made stages with these.
No. Oh fuck! I almost got these motherfuckers.
What?
What?
Yeah! Oh,
what was
fuck.
that?
He was glitched so.
What was that?
Were you shaking it back?
Move.
Yes! Yes! They all come out for me!
Why did they just? Why did they? What the fuck?
They're a cult, obviously.
Sitting here watching a bar fill up because you haven't loaded the map.
Oh, well that's because I'm downloading a fucking video game.
No wonder
Shut
it
the
was
fuck up.
so slow. That
You know
map
what?
again.
If Lode Runner didn't fucking crash so much, then we wouldn't have this problem.
You're the problem. It didn't crash when we played
It
the other
shouldn't
day.
crash.